Hello students, today I am here with a new video, mineral resources and mining. Myself Rajesh Dwivedi. Mineral are natural occurring chemical compounds having one or more elements that make up rocks. Minerals are extremely useful. Almost everything that we use in our daily life has been made from or developed with the help of minerals. Minerals are found abundantly in crust. Characteristics of minerals. Minerals are ubiquitous, that means they found everywhere. Minerals are both organic and inorganic in nature. Minerals are used in industries as raw materials to manufacture various metals. Metallic minerals are found in the form of ores, and metals are separated by heating or melting. Minerals have wide uses and also used in purification of certain minerals. Now, the classification of minerals. Minerals differ in their structure, color, hardness, solubility, etc. The first one is metallic mineral. These minerals have to be extracted from the ores in which they are present along with some other metals. They are mostly found in igneous and metamorphic rocks, example iron, gold, copper, manganese, etc. Metallic minerals are further classified into two categories. The first one is ferrous minerals. They have iron content and look grayish in color, are known as ferrous minerals. Example iron, cobalt, nickel, manganese, etc. Second is non-ferrous minerals. These minerals does not contain iron but may contain some other metal. Example gold, copper, tin and aluminium. They are found in all type of rocks. The second classification is non-metallic mineral. These minerals do not contain metals found in sedimentary rock in both organic and inorganic nature. They also include mineral fuel which produces heat and energy like coal and petroleum. Now, mining. The process of taking out minerals buried under the interior layer of Earth's surface is called mining. The different methods used for extracting the minerals depend upon the depth at which they are located. The first is quarrying. When a mineral ore is simply dug out, which is located very close to the earth's surface, that is called quarrying. Open cast mining. Minerals ore that lies at shallow depth are taken out by removing the surface layer is called open cast mining. Shaft mining. Some mineral deposits are lies under the surface of the earth. A deep hole has to be dug to reach them is called shaft mining. A shaft mine has many underground chambers. The miners use lifts to reach these chambers. Next is drilling. Deep wells are dug for extracting petroleum and natural gas which occur far below the earth's surface. The process of digging wells is called drilling. Now, conservation of minerals. Minerals are very useful to us. The extraction of minerals has increased tremendously, which causes depletion in our mineral reserves. To prevent this, we must conserve our mineral reserves by following ways. First, using improved mining technology to minimize wastage during extraction of minerals. Second, efficient utilization of resources and doing judicious and selective mining. Third, recycling metallic minerals by reusing discarded objects made of these substances. Fourth, using cheaper and more abundant alternatives of scarce minerals. Fifth, undertaking exploration to identify areas with good reserves where mining will be economically viable. Next, saving of mines from collapse. So this is all about this video. I hope you like it. Thank you.